Welcome to Tech Talk Today, where we dive into the latest innovations in the tech world and explore how they're shaping our future. I'm your host, and today we're going to explore an incredibly fascinating topic: how artificial intelligence is dominating the way we code and develop software. It's amazing how quickly technology evolves. Just over the past few years, we've seen advancements like GitHub Copilot. It's this AI tool that not only helps coders write better code, but also enhances security by identifying vulnerabilities. Talk about a game changer, right? Can you imagine having a virtual assistant in your coding environment, suggesting improvements as you go along? This brings us to our first interesting point: automation. It's becoming clearer that developers are looking for ways to streamline their workflow. Who wouldn't want to automate repetitive tasks? For instance, think about GitHub Actions, which allow developers to automate workflows. This means they can spend less time on mundane tasks and more time being creative and problem-solving. Now let's pivot a bit. You may have heard about code spaces, a game-changing feature that provides instant development environments. It's like having your own coding setup that you can take anywhere. Just think, if you have your coding environment all set up in the cloud, you don't have to worry about your local machine's limitations. You can code from anywhere. And that brings us to collaboration. In the tech world, we know how critical it is to work together. Platforms like GitHub help facilitate this with features like discussions, where teams can collaborate outside of just the code. This means brainstorming ideas and problem-solving together in a more dynamic way. Have you ever wished you could just sit down with your whole team regardless of location? Well, that's pretty much what these discussions are tailored for. Speaking of teamwork, what about code reviews? They provide a structured opportunity to manage code changes. It's like having a buddy system in coding, where you help each other catch mistakes before they hit production. And let's be real, no one likes finding bugs after the fact. Now think about this. How often do developers get overwhelmed trying to find the right solution for a problem in an ocean of code? Well, GitHub's code search feature is here to help reduce that frustration. It's designed to help developers find exactly what they're looking for quickly. And honestly, that can save a ton of time. But let's step back for a moment. What does all of this mean for the future of software development? Well, one thing's for sure: it's making coding accessible to more people. With more tools that assist and automate, newer developers can ramp up faster than ever. Isn't it an exciting time to be in tech? Now, as we wrap up this foray into the future of coding with AI, what strikes me most is how these tools like GitHub sponsors show a commitment to supporting open-source developers. It encourages a rich ecosystem where creativity thrives and innovation continues. So to sum it all up, we're witnessing a transformative era in software development, driven by AI and collaborative tools. Whether it's enhancing security, automating workflows, or simplifying code searches, today's tech landscape is all about efficiency and community. As we close, I leave you with this thought: how do you think AI will continue to shape the future of coding? It's an open-ended conversation, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk Today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful discussions on the latest tech trends. Until next time.